Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bajun network token. Ticker symbol is BAJU. This token is about to get a central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Bajun network. So hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. I probably am not. But this is also part of the Ajuna network on Kusama. So it's part of the same ecosystem, same project. It might be dual token economy here, but the Bajun network token, BAJU, it was just announced that they are going to be listed soon on Mexc Global. There was a tweet here from December 16th. Today is the 17th, so that was just yesterday. It says, new project alert. Baju is listed soon on Mexc Global. Bajun network is the canary network of the Ajuna network on Kusama. As an independent network, Bajun hosts games and provides a creative environment where game developers can pursue new game concepts. Stay tuned for more details. So if you follow Mexc Global's Twitter, which is at Mexc_global, they should tell you within the next day or two when exactly this token will be listed on Mexc Global. But for now, they just announced that this is going to be their listing here is on Mexc. So if you head over to their Twitter, which is at Ajuna Network, I think somebody's using a blender up there if you hear that in the background, so it'll stop short. Oh, that's the ice maker, my bad. So it says, at Ajuna Network, we integrate the world's leading game engines with the blockchain-based assets while massively reducing latency using trusted enclaves. Real value meets real games. So if you look at their newest tweet here, it's actually their pinned tweet as well from December 16th. It says, Baju listing announcement. We are excited that Baju will be listed on Mexc Global coming Monday. So that's exactly when it will be listed today. Recording and uploading this video today is Saturday, so 2 days from now. On Monday, it says 11 a.m. UTC time on the 19th. This will be listed on Mexc Global, so that's when you'll be able to get it. Now, they do have an article about this here. You can click on the Medium article. So, it says, we're pleased to announce Baju token will be listed on Mexc Global, a leading crypto exchange with a large global user base. Baju is the utility token for the Bajun network on Kusama, Ajuna's Canary Network, and the platform for game developers to introduce and test new features. Having it listed on a major exchange is a crucial step in bringing our platform to light, and Mexc will be a great partner for us to drive blockchain gaming adoption. Now, Mexc is a great exchange, very low fees I've noticed compared to other exchanges. The first product of Ajuna's network are the awesome Ajuna avatars, which are an NFT collective game based on the heroes of Ajuna. Each game launched on Ajuna will have their own season of the awesome Ajuna avatars. The first season is based around the Mogwai creatures from Battle Mogs, Ajuna's flagship game. It's a AAA, and it will be interoperable within the Ajuna ecosystem. And awesome Ajuna avatars, so that AAA is the short form for awesome Ajuna avatars. Players can collect and forge a wide variety of avatar items from horns and armor to weapons and power-ups. The listing on the MEXC exchange will provide increased availability and exposure for the Baju token, allowing more users to explore the awesome Ajuna avatars as well as other games. In addition, MEXC offers a secure and user-friendly platform for traditional digital assets and trading. We are thrilled to have the Baju token listed. So the founder and CEO of Ajuna Network, his name is Cedric DeCoster. It says the listing will help us reach a wider audience. We believe that MEXC Global is the perfect platform. So yeah, let's. So it says about Ajuna Network, just a short little blurb here. Ajuna Network is a Swiss-based decentralized gaming platform bringing blockchain gaming into the mainstream by integrating GameFi functionality within the world's leading development engines, Unreal and Unity. Built on Substrate, Ajuna leverages the full potential of the Polkadot ecosystem to provide developers with a modular toolbox to easily add fully featured GameFi functionalities to their games. Ajuna's ultimate goal is to create real value for both gamers and developers by providing a fully interoperable decentralized ecosystem for games and virtual goods. So there is a little section here where you can click on Baju. Let's see if that takes us over to about the token here. Yeah, so Baju will be the token powering the leading edge Ajuna network on the Kusama parachain. New features will be deployed on Kusama first, enabling innovation and experimentation while ensuring that only tried and tested updates are adopted on our Polkadot parachain. Usage fees will be lower, decreasing the barrier to entry so that smaller games can launch and gain traction. So the network name, Bajuna Network, token name, Baju, relay chain is Kusama, launched Q3 2022. Supply profile is fixed and deflationary. Staking preserve is up to 1%. Initial supply at TGE is 1.75 million and max supply is 50 million tokens. Token allocation is on here. 30% goes to development and marketing, 15% founders and team, 8% private round, 10% seed round, 22% treasury and reserves, 10% parachain slot rewards, and 5% advisors. Token utility, you can use it for developers to deploy games, pay transaction fees. For gamers, back new games and access services. You can also stake it, and it's also a governance token that enables you voting rights. Underneath all the stuff I just read there on their webpage, ajuna.io/BAJU, you could subscribe to a newsletter for updates if you want to. But this token will be listed in 2 days on the 19th. Check it out. MEXC Global referral codes in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.